Hi, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I am finally getting around to filming what fits in my new YSL Baby Niki. When I did my unboxing, a lot of times I will do what fits. It was just getting a little bit too long, so I'm going to do that for you today, tell you some of my initial thoughts on it. I think I might have to shut some windows. The sun angle is a little bit intense right now. So I did pick up the baby size and the color is Storm, and I will link that unboxing should you be interested in seeing that. Today I will include mod shots and we'll turn the camera around and see what fits inside. So before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't done so already, I'd love it if you just take one moment and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get into this. Let's get into the features of the bag, how I'm feeling about the bag. Coming up on, I guess, close to a month of owning it. I have used it a few times, not enough by any means to give you wear and tear or any of that. So let's just kind of go over the bag and look at the inside of it, and then we'll see what fits, and I will give you my initial impressions. So the bag is in the vintage crinkled leather, and I have some really good shots, if I remember to insert them, of the bag when it was really sunny in Nashville. It's really pretty. It does have chevron stitching. The logo is tonal. I know a lot of people think that this logo is loud. I don't think it is on this particular bag because it's just covered in the leather. So I think it's quite simple there. The hardware is ruthenium, and I think it goes very nicely with the color Storm. The back of the bag, you have a slick compartment with a magnet, which is great, and it fits my phone perfectly, which you will see in a moment. You can carry this two ways, very simply by shoulder, using both straps, or if you just pull it, and you can do crossbody that way. It is not adjustable crossbody. However, if you are on the petite side, the shoulder option should work for you. And opening it up, let me get the stuffing out of here. So I want to point something out that somebody had written on my video. So they have changed the design of this, where, do you see how the little hooks are connected right here and the chain goes through that? She had said that hers was when it went through like Chanel bags. It just fed through the grommets, and that it kind of pulled this part of the flap up. So I thought that was pretty interesting, and I think that this is, hopefully you can see that, I think that this is a good design to keep it from doing that with the flap. So in the back you have one pretty big open compartment, and you do have a slit compartment here, and this slit compartment is all leather. Not sure if you'll be able to see that. The rest of the inside of the bag is fabric, and it does say Saint Laurent Paris right here. Is that going to show? It's like holding it down. It's right there. There we go. And then on this pocket it says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. And let's peel that ugly blue sticker off. Okay, take that off, and this the little magnet part there does say Saint Laurent Paris. And then you've got this front pocket, and the leather does go down all the way inside of that front pocket. There are no feet on the bag. The pattern does not go around on the sides of the bag. It goes just on the front and on the back. So I'm going to insert some mod shots right now. For reference, I am 5'6". Okay, so now I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what fits, and then my final thoughts about the bag. So I just brought out a whole lot of small leather goods, just so that hopefully whatever I put in can kind of mimic something that you might have in terms of size so that you will know if this bag will work for you. You're going to be amazed at how much it fits. I really am happy with the size of this bag. So let's set it down here. First thing, what did I do with my phone? Have I already lost my phone? Okay, it's behind me. So first thing, I'm going to put my phone in. It is, look at the lotion from my fingers. It is the iPhone 12 Pro. So let's turn this around, and it fits down in there perfectly, and you can do the magnetic clasp. So I think that's great. Now I have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which I use as a cosmetic pouch. Put that down in there, fits easily. I brought out a card holder that can easily go in that back compartment there. I brought the biggest wallet that I own. This is my diorama, and that goes down in there pretty easily. And then I have my Louis Vuitton clay. Pop that down in there. So far, so good. And then I need tissues, allergies, all that fun stuff. I usually bring some gum with me. And I have some hand sanitizer. Put that down in there. And this is what I did downtown Nashville. And I also put hand cream and just a loose lip balm, which clearly would fit down in there easily. So I still have room here that I can fit my sunglasses in a soft case. And let's see if that closes. Yes, that closes with no problem at all. It's not overloaded. So let's try it again. I have the Gucci key pouch. I have a Longchamp. It was considered a cosmetic pouch. I do use it for glasses. I also brought out an Hermes Calvi, an Hermes Bastia, and my Zoe wallet. So let's try a few different things. Take all of this here out. Show you the difference in these two wallets. It's pretty significant. This one's really tiny. And there it is from the side. So pull out the mini pochette, pull out all of this, and the other key pouch, and the card holder. So let's try with the Calvi in the back pocket there. And instead of the mini pochette, let's use the Gucci key pouch as a little makeup keep all down in there. And let's go with the Zoe wallet. That fits down in there very easily. And let's do the Hermes Bastia. And we still have quite a bit of room. Let's try to get I keep my clear glasses in here. Let's see if I can get that in with the sunglasses. Yeah, I think so. And then the front, let's go ahead and do the gum, the tissue, and let's try the Louis Vuitton clay. See if that closes. Yes, actually very easily. So it holds a lot. It's very convenient. I got fuzz all over the table here. I have enjoyed using it. I personally probably wouldn't carry both pairs of glasses. In general, I don't do that. Oh, and of course, the hand sanitizer would fit down very easily down in there. But you can see, I mean, I'm not sure because I don't own a full-size wallet anymore, but I would think that you could fit one down in there because it's probably a similar length to this pouch, but bigger. So I think that would work. Okay, so final thoughts on it. Do I think this bag is worth it? Yes, absolutely. I love this bag. It has been amazing so far. Hopefully it will continue to. I think this leather is going to hold up very well because it's already distressed looking, and several people told me that they got caught in the rain with it and it was absolutely fine. that just makes me super happy because you can see the sun coming in right now, but usually when I'm filming, it's raining. So that's a very big plus. It did go up $240, I'm pretty sure, from November when I tried it on in the boutique till December when I purchased it. That stinks. However, it's just going to keep going up as with all of these brands, so no regrets on that. I did talk in my other unboxing video about possibly considering this one in the medium size. The main reason I was considering it in the medium size, there's a color I like, is called light caramel or light caramel, however you want to say it, and it has the gold hardware. The Baby Niki does not have the gold hardware, it has the ruthenium. But I really like this size better. I think that the medium, I'm tired of super small bags, but I'm also not really back into super huge bags all the time. Sometimes here and there, it's nice to chuck your stuff in, but I don't know. Next time I'm at a YSL boutique, I will get to try some more on and see, because when I tried on the medium, I had purchased it in the suede, and the suede was all messed up, so I can't say that I even really gave the bag a good chance, but you saw everything I fit in here. That's actually more than I would carry, even if I'm carrying one of my larger bags. That is more than I would carry. I just don't carry that much. It's pretty much the mini pochette, a wallet, the cell phone, the tissue, the gum, what else is over there, and the glasses. And that's usually some hand sanitizer. So that's about it. So I don't know that I need the bigger size, but I have enjoyed just how casual it is. I don't feel like it sticks out, and especially here where I live, I've never seen anybody wearing this bag before. I've never seen anybody in Vegas or anywhere that I've been wearing this bag before, which maybe I'm just not that observant and I will see them all over the place now. I don't know, but the point of that isn't that it matters if you see a bag somewhere. It's just that it's subtle, and I feel like it's not going to draw a lot of attention. And yeah, I like that. I feel like it's kind of an under the radar bag. So very happy to have added this one, and I just love me a good back pocket for that phone. It is awesome. I'm really into YSL bags right now. They have some absolutely beautiful things. And as I said in my last video, should you have missed that, I've had a lot of YSL unboxings gone wrong. I have only shared one of them on this channel. I've had a lot, more than I own of YSL bags that have gone back, and every single one of them was from a boutique. Now, I did purchase my, I got my, I'm trying to think of the names of the bag. I got my Lou camera bag, and I got my medium college bags from department stores, and those were perfectly fine. But anything that I have had wrong has been from a boutique. So it doesn't mean you can't get something that's okay from a department store, but you have a little bit better luck, I think, sometimes with the boutique. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.